And it is a scary cloudburst also in Jammu Kashmir's Doda district. Visuals of floods triggered by cloudburst in the Doda district of Jammu and Kashmir. Clearly, viewers, the flood fury in full flow all across the Himalayas. This is now the visuals on your screen are from Jammu's Doda, where the river has flooded because of the rains. At the moment, we're showing you the Nala at the near the Sainik colony in Jammu. We're also getting you visuals of the water levels rising because of the rains in Doda. And this is several seasonal waterways across Jammu and Kashmir which have risen and are now flooding. Mir Farid is live with me on this story. Mir, in the Doda district, what are you picking up? This is several of the streams and the seasonal waterways that are now flowing, and we are seeing floods and a cloudburst there.
Yes, incessant rains are wreaking havoc. It's raining left, right, and center. Complete Jammu and Kashmir. Last many days, it's been raining non-stop, but it's been this rain current has been very strong as far as Jammu division is concerned. Today, since early morning, again it started raining heavily, and now we're hearing about flash floods and, in fact, the cloud bursts at various locations. And the latest from Doda is that 4 people have lost their lives since yesterday. Now, 2 people died when a house collapse happened because of flash flood. 2 more were washed away by the strong
On
currents
with
of
me,
the flash flood.
Sunil Bhatt is also getting us a ground report from one of the flood affected areas. Let's dip into that. Let's listen in. Across Jammu and Kashmir, and we just heard our colleague Mir Farid and Kamaljeet Sandhu talking about what is happening across the hills. Viewers, these are incessant rains in Jammu, in Doda. We saw the flooding in Katwa just yesterday as well, and today, because of these rains, it is the rivers in the hills. This is the Tavi, this is the Ravi, this is the local rivers, including the streams that are there. These are the rivers that are there. All of them are now flooding because of the incessant rains.
ये पानी का जलस्तर बढ़ रहा है, ये का बहुत जबरदस्त लैंडस्लाइडिंग हो रही है और सभी नदी आने लगते हैं, कोई भी पास नहीं जाएगा। कृपया करके ध्यान दें सारे, कोई भी पास नहीं जाएगा तभी नदी के पास। अपने अपने माल मवेशियों को नीचे निकालें बाहर और तभी नदी के पास कोई नहीं जाएगा। लोगों से अपील की जाती है कि पहाड़ी क्षेत्र में बारिश होने के कारण पुनावर तवी का बहाव काफी बढ़ गया है।
Of course, is continuing with me on this story. Mir, could you tell us more about the areas that you are at? What is around you? The kind of visuals that we're seeing from Tavi, the Tavi River in Doda and other areas is showing us the fury of nature. Mir.
Well, the situation is definitely on the edge. The non-stop rains, flash floods, which are happening due to cloudbursts, are not helping the situation. And there are many areas in the Jammu division, as you rightly said, Doda, Kashtawar seem to be worst affected. And in fact, main proper Jammu city, most of the rivers, streams are flowing above the danger mark. Various locations, the administration has sounded flood alert sirens. Local police is advising through loudspeakers to people to evacuate, move to safer locations. 4 people till now, unfortunately, have died in these rains and the kind of flash floods that have happened in Doda. There was a house that collapsed, led to the death of 2 people, and while in fact, 2 people were washed away by flash floods. The advisory is not good, Anita. In fact, IMD says that this bad weather, wet weather, heavy rain is going to continue for at least next 6 to 8 hours, and heavy to very heavy rainfall advisory alert has been sounded for the Jammu districts, Jammu division districts. So this is not going to be over very soon, and unfortunately, you have most of the rivers flowing above the danger mark. A lot of panic amongst the people, but advisories
just a
being given
moment.
to